Hey everyone, welcome to Simply Happy channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna do another Mayward reaction video dun sa Hong Kong concert tour nila. And actually, to be honest, I'm already watching it now dun sa vlog ni Sherry Rose na she's also from Hong Kong and she's a Mayward flyer there. Tapos, yun yung 45 minutes long video niya. And then, tapos, naalala ko na gumawa ng reaction video because someone requested it. Kaya naman, I post where I'm watching and si Edward yung kumakanta doon. Tapos ngayon, pagpapatuloy ko na siya and I'm gonna share it sa inyo. So, let's watch it. So, first of all, hi kay Sherry Rose. I'm gonna use your vlog for beauty reaction. So, thank you.
Okay, sige. May tanong ako sa inyo. Meron ba kayong isang tao sa buhay nyo na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa inyo? Isang tao, kapag kasama mo siya, sa tingin mo, walang imposible. Ano, meron akong ganyan eh. Kaya nga basta M. And sa totoo, I feel better when I'm with this person.
Alam niyo ba yung kanta na I Feel Better? Napanood niyo ba yung official music video?
To be young and in love, to know who I am, to know that I'm good, always you're here with me.
Tingnan niyo yung boses ni Edward parang Justin Bieber, diba?
Midnights of morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.
Picture niya. So gwapo, diba? No? He really looks like Prince Charming. Star Magic World na super well na yung scholar. He looks so cute. Kasi si Edward. Oh! Hi, Sherry Rose. Ikaw yan, diba? Ingit match ako sa'yo. Nakatama na sila in person. Kapag pinapanood mo sila, napapangiti ka lang mag-isa. Parang talagang galing.
Stay a while, stay a while, stay with me. Stay a while, stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay a while, stay with me. Lay here with me. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. For the first time, I stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
It's almost a kiss. Talagang galing.
Sorry guys, I admit hindi ako yung pinakamagaling kumanta, pero nung nag-record ko tong Re-record, number
Ang
2.
galing naman
Number
Tagalog ni
2,
Edward.
yung kanta na yan, yung I Like Me Better. Kasama ko si Maymay tsaka yung mama ko. So, actually, when we recorded it, nahihirapan talaga ako. As in, parang na-frustrate na yung musical director. Pero dahil sa kanya, ginawa ko.
Wow! Iba na to, pag-ibig na to, pag gano'n. So, ayan, so post muna natin siya. And yun nga, anong masasabi ko dito? Wala akong masabi kundi sobrang punong-puno ng love sa stage kapag magkasama silang dalawa. I thought Edward's just gonna sing that song, but then yun nga, sinama niya si Maymay sa stage, and because he's dedicating that song to Maymay, and do you know kung ano yung ibig sabihin nung kanta na to? Have you seen the official music video nung I Like Me Better na to? So, nung narinig ko dun sa, ito yung mall show ni Edward na dedicated niya yung song na to para kay Maymay, and then I look at the music video, it's like Edward is saying na he's looking forward na he's gonna spend his lifetime with Maymay, kasi dun sa music video, nag-start sila ng young pa sila, and then young love until tumanda na sila, then they're still together. So it's like Edward is saying that I'm dedicating this song for you, Maymay, because I want to spend my lifetime with you. Diba? Sobrang kakilig. And yun lang, basta sobrang punong-puno sila ng chemistry pag nakikita mo silang dalawa together. Hindi lang basta chemistry, kasi makikita mo yung genuine love nila for each other. Kaya, yun lang, wala akong masabi. And yung boses ni Edward, siya lang yung nagsasabi na parang hindi maganda yung boses niya. But he has voice. Parang ang Justin Bieber yung boses niya. Sobrang yung malamig yung dating ng pagkanta niya. But anyway, yun lang. That's it for now. So, I'm gonna continue watching. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna make more reaction video pa. But, yun lang. So, I just wanna enjoy watching this whole full video. So, thank you, Shara Rose, for letting me use your video for video reaction. Kahit ngayon pa lang ako nagpapaalam, pero yun lang. Hi sa'yo, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo dun sa mga new vlogs ko. So, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog.